guys, welcome back to Jack and Friends. Today I'm walking in this rain. Remember to put an umbrella in this rain. It's not raining that hard, but it's really annoying. Greater some trees in the way. I'm sorry, tree.
Like his video.
Yes, please. Oh yeah, and here's your Senya.
So, what the heck is Senya? It's not my ear.
What?
I want to walk.
Fine.
Okay, so we're walking in this rain.
I'm just walking by myself until I saw her. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. I can't say.
Okay, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. I forgot that notification.
I think you said that. Put the notification bell and subscribe.
And subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post some brand new videos.
And comment when you're done. And we might give you shout out. So.
Yeah. If you put your name in the subscriptions below, I'll put your name in the next video.
Yes.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.